Hello guys, we're back to the farm again. Let me take you through a short road trip. You see my achievements this year. Pattern in their colors. They're ripening right now. You can't say my pixies what they are doing. They're doing well. The fruits are always ripening. We'll be back to the market. As I take you around, you can see, and you can just find yourself trying things kind of useful. Farming is sweet. Farming is around just about your passion. Okay, let me get you a ripe fruit. This one is ripe. I got one. In case you want the seedlings, I can deliver anywhere in this country. They are ripe, you can see. Some are ripe already. You can see some are ripe. So yeah, just see, have different sizes. We have small ones, we have big ones, we have ripe ones. See the progress, guys. In case you want the seedlings, you can just inbox, you can just DM me. I'm going to share my number down there. Hey, I have different sizes of seedlings. 2 feet, 2 feet tall, 2.5 feet at 500, 1.5 feet at 200. I choose yours. At no, sorry, at 300. Yeah, you can see the fruits, guys. They are ripe now. So just in case you want them, just call me. I'm just a call away. Another juicy fruit. Very juicy. Let me break this one. Okay, I'm harvesting that. I'm going to press it. It's very juicy. It's juicy. putting it away. Yeah. Never know that my phone. Okay. As you can see, I'm taking around just 2 years investment, then you are back. After 2 years, guys, you turn your money, you get your money back. Get your returns after 2 years, guys. A small farm tour. That's my farm. I'm located in Makueni, Wote, 100 kilometers from the city of Nairobi. Come and see. The fruits are juicy. I'm back to the market. Guys, the fruits are here.